girls and I are leaving tonight to go do some house sitting. And so you guessed it, we're doing another packing video. This one is a little different because it's all modern clothing, and my goal is to fit all three girls and me for 3 nights into one suitcase. So let's see if we can fit it all in here. And that was another video finishing editing. So the first row right here, these are extra nice clothes for the girls and I, just in case we are going out anywhere that we need to dress nice. And then underneath these clothes and this clothes are extra undergarments and things for us. These are my nice clothes. And then these are my day 1, day 2, and day 3. And then these are Madeline, Sarah, and Rebecca's day 3, day 2. And then they also have my pajamas and Madeline's BB-8 pajamas and Sarah's. Let's swap those. Madeline's there, Sarah's there, and Rebecca's there. And then whenever I get a second with a free hand, I can snap that closed to hold in place. Alright, and then there's, let's see, Sarah's day 2 is in here, so Madeline's day 2 and Rebecca's day 2. So now all I have to fit is their day 1, which no, we're not going to Disney, for those of you that might recognize some of the Disney prints that we're wearing. It's just that I thought for fun, since we're not going to Disney this year, to have a day where they could just like wear their fun Disney prints and get to dress up and, you know, just watch some Disney movies and hang out. So yes, I was able to get all of our clothes into one suitcase. And then of course our fateful toiletries bag that pretty much stays packed the whole time. Now, I'm going to turn it like this, since this is the bottom. And so yeah, that is basically it. So the way it works is that right now as I'm filming this, it is a Monday. And our definite is we are staying tonight, Monday night. We are possibly also staying Tuesday and Wednesday night. So I packed clothes for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. This time I am not packing any extras, and I'm also packing only one change of pajamas and our toiletries bag. So it's a little bit different than I normally usually pack one extra outfit, and I didn't. Also, these are what I call complete outfits. They have a full change of clothes in each Ziploc. I do not pack extra hair things because that is always in our toiletries bag, which is right here. And I will show you really quick, because I don't think I've ever actually filmed our toiletries bag when doing a packing video. And this one took a lot less time than I thought it was going to. It takes more time to roll the clothes up and all that. Okay, so this pouch here, these are hair ties on I think they call them cadaver clips. And there's something, oh, an extra razor for me in there. And then hairbrush, and then I keep it packed for everybody at all times. These came from Dollar Tree. You can get the placards in this case, and the reason we got it was so we could refill our placards in it. Mini, teeny, tiny hair ties for small hairdos. The kids' fruit flavored placards. Some body powder, shampoos, conditioners, body washes, and lotions. And then I shove all of our toothbrushes into here for now, and then as we go we'll individually wrap them to come home. I usually just buy cheap toothbrushes whenever we're traveling, and then I get the more expensive ones for when we're home. And then one kid's frozen hairbrush, because always a little bit Disney. Okay, so that is it. Everything all fits into one suitcase. This is also a brand new suitcase to us. It is the Leisure brand. This is the first time I'm using this. It was gifted to us. And then the only thing I'll add extra is, here in a minute, I will put flip-flops for each of us in here, and then I will have them wear one nice pair of shoes to go. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. In the comments below, please tell us about ways that you pack for travel and any traveling or packing tips that you may have. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe below, and please don't forget to ring the bell somewhere below here to get notifications every time I put a new video up. And we will see you next time.